Stuck with new ideas? Freehand designing isn't exactly your thing? Ever wanted to create original and professional grade vector art for your embroidery designs in seconds? Whatever the need, let's dive into the AI powerhouse inside Adobe Illustrator software. We'll show you how to turn a simple description into fully editable vector graphics and how to export them to create an embroidery masterpiece. Let's start Adobe Illustrator software. Start by adding a rectangle to the artboard. When the rectangle is selected, you get a context toolbar. From here, you can select Generate Vectors. You may also access Generate Vectors from the Properties panel. In the prompt field, describe the output you want to generate. Select one of the Adobe models or partner models. Each model creates a unique result. Next, you can choose content type and detail as needed. For the purposes of this video, we will go with the subject. In Styles area, if you go to Effects, you can add one or more effects to your creation. I'm adding flat design to prevent creation of gradients which are not suitable for embroidery. Additionally, we go to Color and Tone and set a number of colors. Now we're ready to hit Generate. Wait for the model generation. You can still tweak the prompt using this gear and create a new variation. Just like that, a new variation is created. One thing you should have in mind is that this is a vector design, so you can infinitely resize it or edit the shapes if you like. If you're happy with the result, save the creation to a file. Start Drawings Pro and import the created file. Just like that, the AI creation is in your design area filled with stitches. Since it is still a vector design, you can infinitely scale it without losing in quality, and you can still edit the shapes. At this point, you can change stitch types if you like, adjust embroidery parameters, or edit the direction of the stitches. All you need to do is fine-tune the embroidery aspect of the design to get the best quality or the level of customization you want. That's exactly how you leverage AI to speed up your creative workflow without losing the flexibility of vectors.